Reichert & Sons Painting, only if you want the very best. Today's video will be going over our restoration of a piano for a charity called Keys for Kids. We wanted to make this piano a fun color for the children it was intended for, and also show the depth and breadth of Reichert & Sons abilities by breathing new life into it. We begin by cleaning the piano with a cleaning agent called TSP, trisodium phosphate, to remove any organic materials such as food and grease. Once the piano is washed with TSP, we clean it a second time with denatured alcohol to remove any polish that may have been left. After that's completed, we sand the components of the disassembled piano. Sanding the wood not only gets rid of any residual gloss or finishes, but it also gives the varnish a rough surface to grip onto. At that point, we move on to the adhesive primer. After applying a coat of primer to the wood surface, the compound is heavily absorbed into the substrate, ultimately creating a new surface for the top coat to bond onto. As we watch the application of the top coat, we want to tell you a little bit more about the organization Keys for Kids and why this project was so important for the Reichert & Sons to be a part of. Keys for Kids is a charitable organization that repurposes used, donated pianos in ways that promote a love of music in our community. Every year, they seek to distribute 12 to 24 pianos free of charge to struggling families or organizations that need a quality instrument. After completion of the project, the piano shipped off to Phil Thompson for his music video in downtown Minneapolis, where afterwards he'll be donating it to Keys for Kids. Phil Thompson is one of the nation's freshest faces to emerge as a pop instrumental crossover. Phil's recordings are available in stores and on iTunes.